everyone, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. Today I have a double unboxing for you because I went to Joanns. Let's see what I got. Okay, I'm trying to decide if I should do the big one first. We'll do the big one first. And I'm not going to show you what it is until I show you what it is. It is a 30 by 20, and we went to Joanns and it was 40% in Destin. And my husband said, you should get it. Because I eyed it once before. Look at that. Do you see those colors? Do you have any idea what it is? Tell me in the comments if you knew what it is before I even opened it. Love the colors. Oh, I just love them. And there's an AB right there. And there's another AB. There's two more. A yellow AB. A pink AB. It's got to be a green AB. Or an orange AB. Nope. But such pretty colors. Okay. Let us take a look. Okay. Well, he was bought in Joanns at a discount. Which is... oh my gosh. There it is. It is called Nuzzling Wolves by Kathy Lipscomb. And it is a 20 by 30. Look at these wolves. Aren't they beautiful? Yeah, I needed another one like a hole in the head, you know, guys? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. A red, a pink, a yellow, and a dark one, blue or black. And it's got 5200, which is right here. And you can't see it, but it is right in here and here. So, and it goes around that way. And then it is all in here, here, the ABs. It's going to be pretty. And there's some in the wolves. Yep, we got some in the wolves. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see if we can find... oh, there was no toolkit in here, guys. Nope. I did not get a toolkit with this one. I guess that's what happens when you take the chance and you buy it. That means I didn't get washi tape or... no, I didn't get a toolkit. It is what it is. But I did get my diamonds, and that's what's important. And I did get my sticker sheet. And it's got 54 colors. So I didn't get a little picture either. Bummer. I'm a little bummed. But it's not like I can return it. This is from Joanns. Anyway, look at these colors. Look at them. Aren't they pretty? Here's an AB. It's a yellow AB. Love the colors. This must be 5200. Yep, these two are 5200. Look at those oranges. This is orange, not yellow. I don't know why the camera is saying that. It's lying to you. Lies, lies, lies. Look at these two. This one's not as bright as that on the camera, but it's beautiful. Here's another AB. It's a blue. It's all tangled. Wow. This is a square drills. Here's another AB. Pretty. Let's see if this purple is a 6000. Nope. And here is the other AB. It's red. Are there any 6000 colors? No. Oh, pretty. Who would like to see a new updated stash video? I feel like I haven't done one in a while, and there's been a lot of changes. I've had a lot of completions. I've purchased a lot. So I've been busy. My husband, the enabler, said I needed to get these. I mean, I was looking at them at one point, and then I was like, nah, I don't know that I want them. And then when we went there, he was like, you need to get them. I seen you looking at them once. So we did. We got them. I'm kind of bummed though. No toolkit, and I'm looking on the floor, and there is none. All right, I still have to check inventory on this. I'm pretty sure they're okay, but I'll check. So this is 54 colors. 54. Love it. So let me keep that with that. And the next one is I'm calling it a cousin to this one. Okay? You'll see why in a minute. Come on. I'm calling it a cousin because this one is called, oh, wait a minute, guys. This one okay. This one did come with a toolkit. Very, 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 very basic toolkit. It didn't even come with washi tape or a cover minder. Okay. Let us see what the colors look like in this one. Okay, here's the colors in this one. So what do you think it is? If it's a cousin to this one, what are you guys thinking? Oh, look at these ABs. Look at the ABs. Pretty. Nice colors. Here's a fairy dust. Fairy dust again. Oh. Okay. Did I make you dizzy? Where's the other fairy dust? There it is. There's one. And then there's one right there. And let's go backwards. 747. Who remembers that airplane? I used to ride on it when I was a little girl. 141 AB. I'm going to try to put this in the bag now. Okay, let's see what this is. Actually, it's a very dark blue. Here's another fairy dust, 7341. Another fairy dust in this one. This canvas has got some fairy dust. And the other one did not. It only had ABs. Here's an AB. Oh, this is a round kit. I'm just noticing it's a round. You guys probably already noticed that because you're smart. Nice colors. $3.10. Look, guys, just one little bag of $3.10. Do you have any ideas what it is? There are no 6,000 colors in this kit. And there's that pea green. Ugh, I don't like that. I don't like peas, guys. So there's the drills. Are you ready? You ready for the kit? And this one, like I said, I did get the tool kit. But it's just the tray, baggies, pen, and squishy, and some wax. The heart wax. That's it. And I did get my little sticker. Okay, let me show you. Remember, it's a cousin. Rainbow Wolf. There it is. Isn't it pretty? And it's not a real big one. It's a 17 by 17. And it has two ABs and 4 fairy dust. And it's pretty. It's going to be gorgeous because most of the fairy dust is in the hair down here, in the wolf, in the bottom of the wolf. It's in here. It is here. It is here. And the ABs are 1, 2, 3, 4, and where are they? Oh, the ABs are going to be around the wolf. Yep, they're going to be around, all in the environment, in the background, all around the wolf. And the fairy dust is going to be in the wolf. Nice. Nice. So, and here is the picture. 67 colors. And the nuzzling wolf had 54 colors. So there's more colors in this guy and more special drills in this guy. And here is my little picture. And my toolkit. But I didn't get that in the other one. I don't know why. It's just a cheapo toolkit. But it is what it is. It's all good. It really is all good, guys. So I hope you like these little guys. I mean, this one's not exactly little, but it's manageable. This one's a 30 by 20, and this one was 17 by 17. And they're both by Kathy Limpscomb with Diamond Art Club. And I got them at Joanns. And they were 40% off. So, not bad. I think I did good because I'm going to be cutting my purchasing way back. I don't know about you guys, but it's going to be cut way back. I was supposed to be on a no-buy this year, and we all know how that turned out. But I didn't know Joanns was going out of business. So, that's my defense. And my husband is an enabler of my hobby. Wait till you see what he got me. It's not here yet, but it will be here soon, and I will show you. Well, guys, that is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. So, like, comment, subscribe. Again, leave me a comment. This way I know you're there, because I like to interact with you all. And if you don't comment, I don't know who's watching. So give me a comment and tell your friends and share. I'm almost to 500, guys. Almost. Have a great day. And remember to always be kind to everyone